Welcome to the Fundamental Revision, Final Part 13, presented by Computer Easy Notes. This video covers key topics, including the introduction to computers, types of computers, characteristics, limitations, uses, components, types of memory, input and output devices, computer ports, hardware and software, and the operating system. A computer is an electronic machine that works on the input, process, and output cycle. Computers are broadly categorized into analog, digital, and hybrid types. Devices include smartphones, laptops, servers, and supercomputers. Key characteristics of a computer include speed, accuracy, storage, versatility, being tireless, and automation. Some limitations of computers are their lack of intelligence and decision-making capabilities. They depend heavily on the user for instructions. Computers have many uses across various sectors, such as education, business, banking, and entertainment. The main components of a computer are the input unit, the central processing unit, or CPU, and the output unit. Computer memory is divided into primary memory, like ROM and RAM, and secondary memory, which includes hard disks and pen drives. Input devices include the mouse, scanner, and keyboard. Output devices include the monitor, speaker, and printer. Computer ports are used to connect external devices. Examples include USB, HDMI, and audio jacks. Hardware refers to the physical parts of a computer, while software refers to the programs that run on the computer. An operating system, or OS, controls the computer. Windows is a common example of an operating system. In summary, a computer operates on the IPO cycle, and all its parts work together to function. Thank you for watching this video. Keep learning, and please like, share, and subscribe for more chapters.